Hello there, this is Tim Skinner from telecoms.com. I'm here at AfricaCom 2016 and today I am speaking with David King, who's the CEO of Flexenclosure. Hello David.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. So, thanks very much for joining us today. Why don't we start by you telling us a little bit about your company, Flexenclosure?
Certainly, yeah. So Flexenclosure, a Swedish company. We're in the high-tech field. We produce green energy products for Africa and other emerging markets. The tagline we talk about we provide sustainable internet infrastructure for Africa.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We have two main products. The eSite, it's a hybrid power system, and the eCenter, it's a prefabricated data center.
Mm-hmm. So presumably at AfricaCom this week you are discussing both of these products. What's your key messaging for this week?
Yeah, we're here talking about both. Both are highly relevant to the African geography. Our primary message this week is about the launch of the new eSite. Mm-hmm. So we have a new version of the eSite called the eSite X10. The X10 is launched here this week. It's special in that it is the world's first hybrid power system built from the ground up for outdoor telecom sites to outdoor standards.
Okay. Brilliant, and that's a topic that's very close to the heart of the African market, is sort of sustainable, renewable energy. How does this sort of fit in with that then, both of these products?
Yeah, so let's start with eSite. So eSite is it's a product used by tower companies and mobile network operators that have got base stations in geographies where the grid is either non-existent or poor.
Uh-huh.
Their alternative without a hybrid system is to run the site on generators, burning a lot of diesel at cost and trouble effectively.
Of course.
The hybrid system allows them to harvest power from the sun, from a generator, from the grid if there is some, store that in batteries and run the site from the batteries. So much more cost efficient way of doing it.
Of course.
The challenge has been in the past is that many of these pieces of equipment, many hybrid systems have not really served the course of time. Over time they degrade. They're cabinets with components in that can get tampered with or go wrong.
Yeah.
So what we've done is we have built a completely sealed unit. It is tamper-free. Mm-hmm. It is highly water-resistant. It's got no moving parts.
Right.
No fans, no filters. It's completely maintenance-free. Mm-hmm. It's convection-cooled. So they can take our hybrid power system, the eSite X10, put it onto their base station sites, leave it there, and it will manage the power for them.
Oh, brilliant! So presumably, sort of a durable product that can last and last and last.
Exactly. So it's a highly resilient product that it won't break down. Uh-huh. It'll save more money. It's easy to install, easy to manage. Really, fit for purpose in the African market.
Brilliant. Now, we were just speaking before we came on air about your other product range, which is the eCenter, I believe. That was sounding really novel to me. So can you just explain that for the audience as well, please?
So the eCenter's still under this umbrella of sustainable internet infrastructure for Africa. Mm-hmm. The eCenter is a prefabricated data center. So one of the big challenges, in almost any geography is building. Building is always an unpredictable world.
Sure.
I jokingly say, even where I'm living in Sweden, getting something built, can be an unpredictable experience.
Yeah.
But of course, putting a data center into somewhere like Chad, Angola, the problems just multiply.
Yeah.
So what we've developed is a prefabricated concept for data centers. We take in large modules of steel. We put into them, raised floors, cabling, power, cooling, fire suppressants, management systems, everything that is required to create a data center.
Yeah.
We ship the modules out to wherever, and we put data centers into Ivory Coast, Sierra Leone, Chad, Angola, Mozambique, Tanzania.
Okay.
And we hook the modules together, anything from 50 square meters to 1,000 square meters can be hooked up, and we leave behind an immaculate first world facility ready for either telecom facilities or co-location businesses, guys who are renting rack space. Mm-hmm. What we're trying to do with all of this, of course, is provide the infrastructure that supports the data wave in Africa.
Mm-hmm. Brilliant. And now, just finally, just a quick word about AfricaCom. We're here this week in Cape Town. What brings you guys to the show? What do you like about the show?
I always like coming here. It's a high energy event. There's a lot going on here. I think we as a company, we are big believers in Sub-Saharan Africa as just a region of development and opportunity. So we're always going to come here. We're going to come here every year. The audience is extremely relevant to us, and this week is a particularly exciting week because of the launch of the new product.
Sure. Excellent. Well, thanks very much indeed for joining us today.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Bye.